OK, we've got the Buckthorn family here, and specifically designed for beaters, but it's multitasking. There's a lot of different uses for anybody in the countryside, really. The entire family of Buckthorn is very, very tough. It will face the worst of bramble. You can go through cover. We expect our beaters as keepers to go through, through cover, whatever it is. This will protect them. This will keep them dry. It'll stop your legs getting pulled to pieces. Very, very durable, keeps you dry, and relatively inexpensive. Pop it in your game bag, carry it around all day, and there for any emergency. If, like me, you are a dedicated boot wearer, the most important feature of these, the trousers, is you don't have to remove your boots to fetch them off, and you don't have to slide them over muddy boots. If, however, you prefer the Wellington, or even if you're a boot wearer in the very worst of weathers, you've got these shorter protective trousers. Then you've got these fantastic gaiters, totally waterproof. You can go through any amount of thorns and bramble. They will keep you protected up to your knee. $39.99 for the gaiters. $59.99 for those of you that wear Wellingtons, the tregging. And then $89.99 for the ones that boot wearers like me prefer. You've got the whole kit in the Buckthorn. Perfect for the lady, perfect for the beaters, perfect for the men. All sizes, ticks every box.